Hello there, I'm Elsie from the 99designs by Vista team. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the different stages of a project. On 99designs, projects can be best understood through 3 distinct stages. This includes the discuss, design, and delivery phases, which are all equally important to completing a successful project. So, let's go through them together. Before starting your project, you will be required to fill out your brief. This will be sent directly to your designer. Once they have reviewed your request, you will enter the discussion phase. At this stage, you've either pre-agreed your quote and rate, or you're entering into defining that with your designer. In either case, it's discussion time. When working with a designer, it's really important to make sure you're on the same page. This means taking the time at the start of the project to discuss your budget, what deliverables you need, how you plan on using your design, as well as the required time frame. Share your project vision and any design references you want your designer to know about before they start creating. This may include your existing logo files, any text copy that needs to be placed on the design, and even a mood board, pulling together inspiration for the project. If you're planning to print your design, you will need to add the size and specifications to ensure your final files are ready for print. If in doubt, your printing partner will be able to confirm these details for you to pass on. When you and your designer have agreed on project terms, they will then create a quote for the project. You will pay these fees up front, which will be secured on 99designs. But don't worry, these funds will not be released until the project milestones are completed. Now you have entered the fun part, which is the design phase. The designer will present their concepts and revisions to you. What's the difference between concepts and revisions? Great question. Concepts are the initial submissions a designer shares in order to establish a creative direction. Revisions are the round of iterations made to a design based on your feedback. We also offer a bunch of feedback tools to help you along the process. You can leave annotations as well as comments on each design by clicking on the image. When communicating with your designer, aim for your comments to be clear as well as specific. For example, "Hey designer, can you please try a more curvy font for this title? And please replace the purple tone here with a dark green." The project thread is also a great place to leave more detailed feedback, which can be seen by both you and your designer. When viewing the design, clients can add comments and draw. Lastly, you'll enter the final delivery stage, where you and your designer will prepare the final versions of your design. Your designer will notify you that your deliverables are ready for you to download in your project. We recommend that you only release the payment to your designer when you are happy and you have received all of your final assets. You can release the payment by clicking this button. Your designs will be uploaded in all the required file types. You're probably wondering, what are these file types? For most designs, you will receive the vector files, which are your editable source files. These are predominantly used for printing and coding. In addition, you'll receive your digital files. These are commonly used online and for social media purposes. If you want to double check you have everything you need, you can always contact our experienced support team for further guidance. And you've made it! All you need to do is check you have signed the design transfer agreement and download your files. And then you can start bringing your designs to life. Also, don't forget to leave your designer a review so you can share your great experience with the rest of our community. So, to recap, the discuss phase of the project involves you and your designer agreeing on the project terms, including the scope, budget, and deliverables, and ensuring you both have a shared understanding of the project visions. The design phase is the opportunity for your designer to present their concepts and for you to give feedback to get closer to the design that you really love. The delivery phase is where you can mutually agree on the completed designs, release payment, download your final files, review the designer, and ultimately bring your design to life. See you next time from the team at 99 Designs.